Hi, welcome to Punchline Talks. My name is Mark Owen, and today I'm talking to Sulaiman Mayat. He's an apprentice at Ontic. Hi, Sulaiman. Great to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. Tell us about Ontic, please, and about your apprenticeship.
So Ontic is an aerospace engineering business in Cleve. We do airplane parts and we repair and manufacture.
Okay, and how long have you been an apprentice there?
This is my 4th year now.
Okay, so how old are you, mate?
19.
19, okay. So where did you go to school and what did you study?
So I started in Long Levens primary school. And then after that, I did my GCSEs. I did business, geography. I did a bit of computer science, maths, English. Nothing too special.
Okay, and what type of grades did you get in those?
B's, a C, computer science, I did a little bit better.
Okay, and did you like school or,
Yeah, not too fast, school is school.
Okay, and why did you go to get an apprenticeship and how did you find it rather than going to university?
Yeah, so I think apprenticeships give you experience with the company and the business and people around you that have always been doing what they do, and it gives you direct contact with all the knowledge and the skills that maybe uni doesn't provide.
Do you think it gives you a bit more confidence as well? I don't want to put words in your mouth.
Absolutely, it gives you sort of a guide straight directly into the workplace, and you build up all of your confidence, how you work, everything else.
Okay, what type of things do you actually do then? What's your day look like?
Yeah, so currently I'm working on some Hawk cockpit controls. So literally what you see in the cockpit, some of those parts get sent in from different companies, different businesses, different countries as well, armies, militaries, and they get repaired. So that's
Okay.
something.
So when you say get repaired, sorry to show my ignorance, is that
Yeah.
like to, redo the metal and
Yeah, so they'd be sent in normally because they've got a fault, and then we test, inspect what fault it might be. Then we tell the customer what we think it might be. They'd accept the quote, and then we'd go on and repair that unit. So changing switches maybe, if it's sort of a display, maybe the counter's not working, maybe something inside it, electronics go faulty, all that kind of stuff.
And were you always interested in electronics and engineering when you were a kid or when you were
Yeah, so I've just always had an interest in mechanical sort of stuff, opening things, taking them apart, fixing stuff, and just getting things done.
I suppose because I'm rubbish at that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So I need help and everything, even putting a shelf up. So, did your folks help you with that, or did you sort of just fall into it? You sort of naturally got a natural interest in it.
So my dad's also always been the same kind of interested in that kind of stuff. So it's just always how I've been brought up.
And what about your kind of mates? That some of them gone to uni, and some of them gone to uni as well, or more of them sort of travelled into the apprenticeship route.
Yeah, in comparison, I've got friends in uni. I got lots of mates that are within Ontic that do the same as me, apprenticeship, and it's different. It's a different journey, but at the end of the day, we might be in the same role. We might be in completely different sectors.
Yeah, I think the other thing is, I suppose, we're not going to uni. You don't come out with a debt.
Yeah, we get paid for working, paid for learning, and overall, I started getting paid when I was 16, so it just pay rises up from there.
Okay, but I've got to ask you then, how much did you get paid when you were 16?
So my first year was 12.5, and then about £1,000, £2,000 up from there every year.
Wow, so you were 17.
Yeah.
You're earning 17 grand, 18 and the 18 grand.
Yeah.
So you're 19 now. How much are you on now?
18.5.
18 now. Do you live at home?
Yeah.
It's a great salary, mate. What about have you got a car?
Yeah, I drive a BMW.
Okay. Pretty neat. Going on holiday?
Yeah, I'm going back to Morocco. I've been there before.
Okay. And what's your favorite thing about working for Ontic or being an apprentice?
Working with people that have been in the industry their entire life, know everything there is to know, and getting their knowledge off them, getting their skills off them, and just stories as well.
And what's your future looking like? What are you going to do next?
I would like to gain more skills in the area that I'm in right now, repairing and the technician role. But after that, maybe more into engineering, maybe into programs. There's a massive variety of stuff within Ontic, within Gloucestershire, and even globally. And being an apprentice, I've got experience under my belt that would really help me out.
Sulaiman, it's really great to talk to you today. Thanks ever so much, and all the very best for the future.
Yeah, thank you.
Interesting. Bye.